I focus on growers who are striving to do the best they can for their operation. I want to work with a grower who is looking at their inputs and trying to figure it out on a cost per bushel as opposed to a cost per acre. That means they're willing to do what they've got to do to get the extra bushels to make things pencil out. Those are the guys I want to go to with an innovation trial. They're the ones who are going to give it the best opportunity so we can have a true feel in the field of what that product is capable of and what we can expect moving forward with it to take that product to market. When I go to a grower's farm and talk to them, one of the first things that I talk to them about is the innovation trials, because it's something that makes myself and South Dakota wheat growers unique. We're one of the only agronomy facilities in this area offering that sort of trial that we can take to a farmer's operation and let them see the product without it costing them any money and essentially wasting their money on something that may not work at all. I've not really seen anything except excitement when I talk to a grower about it. To the innovation trials, they do not have any objections. The innovation trials, working with my Link Series specialist and myself, really it does not take any time out of their day to do an innovation trial. They put the product in their machine, they spray it. Myself or our Link Series specialist marks out the field where it was. I go out and I pull the yield monitor results off of it. So it's really not a whole lot of work for the grower, and that's something that they really like, and it makes it a lot easier for them to experiment with different products. Feedback has been extremely good. Last year's innovation trials, as we were pulling the trials off the field, the growers were already asking about what was going to be the innovation trials for the upcoming year. And it started to certainly reflect in my sales. To this point this year, I've seen a 125% increase over last year's sales. And we've barely gotten into the busy season, so there's definitely going to be a lot more moving forward. So for my standpoint, it's been extremely positive and a great talking point to get out and talk with new growers as well as my old growers, and it gives me a reason to stop on the farm more.